So we have a question here, and it says figure 1, the one which is being shown here, shows a circuit diagram with 3 resistors of 3 ohms, 2 ohms, and another 2 ohm. And find the effective resistance in the circuit. Now when they say effective, it's just the same thing they are saying total. Alright, there's nothing there to confuse you. Now, how do we find total resistance? So we have to break this circuit into 2 parts. We have one resistor in a series, and we've got two resistors in parallel. So we deal them like that. So we have effective resistance equal to the resistance in parallel plus resistance in what? In series. So let us find resistance in parallel. So in resistance, because we've got 2 resistors, resistance in parallel, let's say P is equal to the product of 2 resistors over the summation of 2 resistors. That's be 6 over 5 ohms. We keep it that one. Alright, we'll go to the series. So resistors in series, it's just this one here, so we can call it RS. It's just this one, 2 ohms. Now, remember we said this is a total of this. Therefore, if effective resistance is equal to 6 over 5 plus 2, which we can simplify this fraction into something nice. Alright, so R is equal to, what is 5 into 6? It's 1 point, what is, remember, 19. So to give you 1.2 plus 2. So this gives us effective resistance to be 3.2 ohms. Yeah, so this is how you break it. Now, I know you might be wondering how come I arrived at this. This is how it's done. Resistors actually in parallel is done by this 1 over R1 over 1 R2. Now, if you simplify this fraction, you discover that the common denominator is R1, R2, which will give us R1 plus R2. This is equal to over 1 RP. Now, if I reciprocate this, reciprocating this one will just give me this. Let me just do this. If I reciprocate this one, I'm going to get RP is equal to R1, R2 over R1 plus R2. This one which I used here. So this one is very important for 2 resistors. If you've got more than 2, I recommend you just follow this one on top here. You keep on adding them. Then later on you can come up with a common denominator and make sure you do what? You evaluate that fraction very well. Then this is done. Alright, so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give me a thumb on Facebook, also a like on TikTok, and a subscription on my YouTube channel. Most importantly, we have online classes and GCE classes, G12 classes, G10, G11. So feel free to contact us on these numbers, and we'll be there to help your academic success starts with us.